This is A Course of Love, reading number 77. And we are in the chapter called The Mind Engaged, where we are really learning more deeply about mindfulness. Start with the last paragraph of reading 75. Learning from unity requires an integrated mind and heart, or wholeheartedness. A half-hearted approach to this learning will not work, nor will the attention of a split mind. It cannot be emphasized strongly enough that you learn what you choose to learn. For proof of all this, you need do is look at the world that was created from your wish to learn what the idea of separation would teach you. When you resided in unity, you could not imagine what this world would be like any more than you can now imagine what a unified world would be like. You did not understand from unity's standpoint what it was that you were asking for, or the extent of involvement this learning would require. In order to learn what the idea of separation would teach you, you needed to believe that you existed in a separated state. Thus, forgetting that you actually resided in unity was a requirement of this condition you wished to experience. This condition was thus made available. While this explanation makes perfect sense, you find it quite unbelievable on the basis of your perception of yourself and the limited range of power you believe your decision-making to have. The only way to make the unbelievable believable is to alter what you experience. The state in which you now exist was not only unbelievable, but also inconceivable to you in your natural state. Experience was required in order to alter your belief system, and is required now as well. The experience of unity will alter your belief system and that of others, for what you learn in unity is shared. Because you are currently learning from separation, however, each must experience unity individually before their belief system can be changed, even when what is learned is shared at another level. Perception of levels is a function of time, and thus it seems that great amount of time are needed before a change of a lasting nature can occur. This is why miracles save time, for they integrate all levels, temporarily collapsing time. Time is actually a measurement of learning, or the time it takes for learning to pass from one level to another through experience. For here, learning is experienced in time. In order for your experience base to change from that of learning in separation to